Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you my top 10 nude brown lipsticks that are good for Indian skin tone. And by Indian skin tone I mean, anyone ranging from fair to dark. I mean it's a really wide range, and this is going to be suitable for anyone. And mind you, I'm not kidding, anyone. So I know my mom, she's really fair, and it suits her very well, and my medium skin tone, so it suits me well too. So yeah, if you want to know what are the top 10 nude slash brown lipsticks for Indian skin tone, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a video. Okay, now most of the products that I'm going to show in this video are affordable. I don't think there is any one product that is not affordable, and if I may say, most of them are below $10, so I'm really proud of that. So the first lipstick that I love is my Coffee Mousse lipstick. This is by Nykaa, and I've actually done an entire swatch video, so I'll link it right above over here, so don't forget to check that out. But this is the one lipstick, and this is what I'm wearing on my lips. It's a beautiful, like a reddish tinge coffee color lipstick, and it absolutely goes on any dress that you wear. I actually love wearing this to my work. I wouldn't say this is like completely matte. It is like a creamy matte finish, and it's very light on your lips. You won't ever know that you're wearing this on your lips. It doesn't stick, and it doesn't dry down your lips, so it's really good, very creamy, but it is not transfer proof. If you don't mind like reapplying your lipstick again, I think this is an amazing lipstick. So this is 27M Coffee Mousse by Nykaa. The next one is going to be the Wet n Wild Mochalicious lipstick, and this is how it looks like, and this is what I have worn on my lips too right now. So on the lips it looks like this, and it is such a deep mocha color. I mean, the name itself says it's such a beautiful deep mocha color. See, you see that it's a bit darker than this, like a deep mocha color. The next one is going to be the Kiko Milano lipstick in the shade 21, and I have actually done a swatch of this in my Paris haul. So this is how the lipstick is. Again, a beautiful, it's not brown, but it's like a very deep mauve color with a hint of brown in it, and it does have some shimmer, but when you do apply it on your lips, you don't really get those shimmer particles. So let me show you how it swatches. So you see that? How beautiful. It is just your lips, but like better, okay? Beautiful. It really is very creamy on your lips, and it applies seamlessly. Like really, it is so buttery. I can like just keep going on applying this. Kiko Milano lipstick in 21. So the next one is this Touch of Spice lipstick by Maybelline in number 660. It's a beautiful marsala color, and if you don't remember, this is a lipstick that I showed in, I think, my beginners makeup series, the beginner kit, and I'm telling you guys, this is such an amazing creamy lipstick, and for like what, less than $10, it is amazing. It beats all the high-end lipsticks, and I actually gave this lipstick to my mom and she loves it. So yeah, this is like an all-time favorite, and I think I'll never ever get rid of this. Even if this gets over, I'm just gonna keep buying it. So this is how it looks on my lips, and this is how it swatches. So now pretty much all the lipsticks that I have are from ColourPop, and if you do not know, I am a big ColourPop fan. I love ColourPop liquid lipsticks. The only reason that I love ColourPop lipsticks are because they're affordable, one, and secondly, the formula is really good. Some people, they say that it does dry down their lips, but for me it does not dry down my lips. I just exfoliate before I apply any lipstick, and then apply a lip balm and let it stay there, and then once I'm done with my makeup, I just go on to apply my lipstick. So it really doesn't dry down my lips, but if yours does, then you should should probably just exfoliate and apply a lip balm before you actually apply your liquid lipstick. And not just for the ColourPop, but for any lipstick, that's the best thing that you could do. So the number one for ColourPop would be this lippy stick in the shade Ziggy. It is a matte X shade, and this is how it looks like. It's not like a true brown, but it's like a terracotta brown. It's not orange, it's not brown, it's in between orange and brown. The good thing about this is it does not dry down my lips, and it does stay pretty much for about 6 to 7 hours. And I can say that even after I've eaten, it does stay on my lips for about 6 to 7 hours. So this is how it looks on my lips. This shade called Ziggy. It's a matte X shade by ColourPop. Now this color is very similar to the Nykaa lipstick in Coffee Mousse. So now the next lipstick is this shade called Bumble by ColourPop. Again, this is a matte shade. Also, one thing that you want to remember is when you try out lipsticks, never try it on like a bare face. Just try to put some eyeliner or something, because you really want to see how it looks with all your eye makeup or your blush or whatever. If you just put it on a blank face, you'll never be able to know how it blends with your skin. If not anything, just apply a little foundation and then test it on your lips, because you really want to see how it goes with your skin color, because your neck and your face is a completely different skin color. This is a really warm toned lipstick. Again, I wouldn't say that this is like brown lipstick, but it's a really like warm rose toned lipstick. I cannot explain, for the love of God, I cannot explain these colors because they're totally out of my description range, but I just love this shade. It looks absolutely beautiful on any dress you wear. It just pops out your eye color. And look at the formula, you guys. And I'm going to show you. It doesn't even transfer. Look at that. Can you see that? It just dried down. Initially, when I wore this liquid lipstick, I absolutely hated this. I didn't want to even wear it, but when I tried it on with a face, like at least a little bit of foundation and eyeliner, this look kind of blended onto my entire face, and it looked absolutely beautiful. And I can guarantee you guys, when you walk on the streets, there are going to be people asking you what shade you're wearing. I guarantee you that this is such a beautiful summer shade. This is how this shade looks like. Shade is Bumble Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. So the next color that I'm going to show you is Love Bug. Again, this is from ColourPop, and I believe this is a matte, ultra matte lip, and it's a beautiful like a mahogany color. My lips are on fire, you guys. It's a beautiful color. Now this color is very similar to the Nykaa color, but the Nykaa is a bit creamier and this is a matte lip. So this is how it looks. Now this is my favorite summer shade, you guys. I really love this. So the next shade is going to be Tule. It's a beautiful, like a deep burgundy shade. Believe it or not, last year when my mom was here, I told her, you can take this shade, just try wear it and see. And she was like, no, it's too dark for me. I don't wear such shades. I'm like, okay. And when I wore it on my lips, she really liked it. And she was like, what shade is that? Can I have that? I'm like, this is the same shade you said you don't want. And she took this shade back to India, and now this year she reordered this. She finished wearing the entire shade and she wanted another backup of this shade. All the shades that I'm showing you right now are my top favorites. Like, you would see me wearing these shades very often. Like, even if you go and see my tutorials back, I have worn pretty much all these shades on my tutorials. Is Tule. Now I promise you guys, we are just left with 2 more shades. The next one is going to be Beeper, okay? Now this may seem like it washes me off. Initially, that's what I thought, but it really works very beautifully on our skin tone. Usually such colors tend to wash me out, but if you pair it with the right, eyes or just the right colors, looks very beautiful. So this is how it looks on my lips. It's a very like a dusty rose kind of color, and The good thing about this is ultra satin lips. It is not ultra matte, so it will not dry down your lips. It has like a creamy finish to it. Now this beeper is, again, as I told you, I think it is a dupe for the Kat Von D Lolita. And now the final and the most inexpensive one is again Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha. I have actually swatched all these lipsticks on my Wet n Wild lipstick swatches. So if you haven't seen all the lipsticks from Wet n Wild, please do go and have a look at that, because Wet n Wild lipsticks are hands down amazing. I don't know how Wet n Wild makes such inexpensive products, but even their products are amazing. And I am actually thinking of making like a one brand tutorial on just Wet n Wild, so do let me know if you want to see that. But the color here is the Give Me Mocha, and this is again a matte liquid lipstick. Now this is one color that I wear almost every day to my work. If I don't get any other lipstick, this is the one that I pick. It lasts almost for the day of about 4 to 6 hours. So creamy, so buttery, and it's so comfortable on your lips. So this is how it looks on my lips. Give Me Mocha by Wet n Wild again. So that's about it, you guys. These were the top 10 lipsticks. Now all these lipsticks, I use them all the time. They are my holy grail. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you guys. I know a lot of you guys watch my videos, but just forget to hit that subscribe button. And I know you guys know where the subscribe button is, so don't forget to hit that. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye.